So, hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our online education platform for the integrated classes, the VAVA classes. Now solve question number 3, first bit. Integration x square by 1 minus x to the power 6 root over dx. Solution. Integration x square by 1 minus x cube whole square root over dx. Put x cube equal to t. So d by dx of x cube is 3x square dt by dx, so 3x square dx is dt. That implies x square dx equal to dt by 3. Now replace t and dt value in the given function. Integration x square dx is dt by 3, 1 by 1 minus t square root over. So 1 by 3 integration dt by 1 minus t square root over is sine inverse t. So 1 by 3 sine inverse t plus c. So t is x cube. So 1 by 3 sine inverse x cube plus c. Okay. So this is the answer. Now 3 second bit, x to the power 8 by 1 plus x to the power 18 dx. Solution. X to the power 8 integration x to the power 8 by 1 plus x to the power 9 whole square dx. Okay. So let x to the power 9 equal to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get d by dx of x to the power 9 equal to d by dx of t. So d by dx of x to the power 9 is 9 x to the power 8 equal to dt by dx. That implies 9 x to the power 8 dx equal to dt. So x to the power 8 dx equal to dt by 9. Okay. So this equal to integration x to the power 8 dx equal to dt by 9. That equal to integration dt by 9 by 1 plus x to the power 9 whole square, that is 1 plus t square. So 1 by 9 integration dt by 1 plus t square. So 1 by 9 integration dt by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t. So 1 by 9 tan inverse t plus c. Okay. So this is 1 by 9 tan inverse x to the power 9 plus c. So this is the answer. So 9x to the power 8 dx is dt. So x to the power 8 dx is dt by 9. So this is integration 1 by 1 plus t square dt by 9. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. So it is 1 by 9 tan inverse t plus c. T is x to the power 8. So 1 by 9 tan inverse x to the power 9 plus c. Okay. Now question number third bit, evaluate integration x square by x plus 5 root over dx on minus 5 to infinity. Solution. Let x plus 5 equal to t square. Then dx equal to 2t dt. So integration x square by x plus 5 root over dx. X plus 5 root over x plus 5 equal to t square. So dx is 2t dt. So this equal to integration x plus 5 root over is root over of t square is t. X square is since x plus 5 equal to t square. So x equal to t square minus 5. From here you can see. X equal to t square minus 5. So x square equal to t square minus 5 whole square. So this equal to integration t square minus 5 whole square by t to t dt. So t cancel. This equal to 2 time integration t square minus 5 whole square. 2 time integration t square minus 5 whole square. So 2 time integration a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So t to the power 4 minus 10t square plus 25 dt. So 2 integration t to the power 4 dt, t to the power 5 by 5, 2 t to the power 5 by 5 minus 20 integration t square dt, t to the power q by 3 plus 50 integration dt is t plus c. So this is 2 by 5 t to the power 5. So x plus 5 to the power 5 minus, yes, here t is x plus 5 root over. From here you can see this equal to 2 by 5. What is t? T is x plus 5 root over. So 2 by 5 x plus 5 root over to the power 5 minus 20 by 3 t q. So x plus 5 root over to the power q plus 50t plus 50 t is x plus 5 root over plus c. So by simplification it will be 2 by 5 x plus 5 to the power 5 by 2 minus 20 by 3 x plus 5 to the power 3 by 2 plus 50 x plus 5 to the power 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is the required result. Now number third bit, integration x square by x plus 5 root over dx on minus 5 to infinity. This is a repeated question. Okay. Now evaluate integration 2x cube by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. Now solution, this 2x cube by 1 plus x to the power 8 can be expressed as this integration 2x cube by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. This can be expressed as integration 2x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4 whole square dx. Okay. Let x to the power 4 equal to t. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of x to the power 4 equal to d by dx of t. So d by dx of x to the power 4, 4x cube equal to dt by dx. So 4x cube dx equal to dt. So we need 2x cube dx. So divide 2. So 2x cube dx is dt by 2. Okay. So 2x cube dx is dt by 2. So differentiate both sides. 4x cube dx is dt. So 2x cube dx is dt by 2. So integration 2x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power 4 whole square. So this is integration dt by 2 1 plus t square. This is 1 by 2 integration dt by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t, 1 by 2 tan inverse t plus c. So it is 1 by 2 tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c. Okay. So this is the required answer. Okay. Now question number 4, first bit, integration 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 4 root over dx. Solution, put x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to t. Differentiate both sides. D by dx of x square is 2x, d by dx of 3x is 3. So 2x plus 3 dx equal to dt. Okay. X square plus 3x minus 4 equal to t. So differentiate both sides. So d by dx of x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to d by dx of t. So derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 3x is 3. So 2x plus 3 equal to dt by dx. So 2x plus 3 dx equal to dt. So put in the value of 2x plus 3 dx, which is dt, and x square plus 3x minus 4, which is t. So integration dt by root t. We know that integration f dash x by fx root over is 2 times fx root over plus c. Here here fx is t, so f dash x, so here f of t, in fact here f of t equal to t, f dash t equal to derivative of t is 1. Okay, so this equal to integration f dash t by f of t root over dt. Okay, so it is 2 time, so this equal to 2 time f of t root over, here f of t is t, so 2 time root t plus c, and f of t is t, so 2 root t plus c. Okay, so 2 root t plus c, but t is x square plus 3x minus 4 root over, so 2 time x square plus 3x minus 4 root over plus c. Okay, now second bit, integration x 4x plus 3 root over dx. Solution, take 4x plus 3 equal to t square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy dx of 4x is 4. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of 4x plus 3 equal to d by dx of t square. Derivative of 4x is 4, derivative of 3 is 0. So 4 equal to d by dx of t square is 2t dt by dx. For dx equal to 2t dt. So dx equal to 2t by 4 dt, that is t by 2 dt. Now x equal to t square minus, from here x equal to t square minus 3 by 4. So this equal to integration t square minus 3 by 4. 4x plus 3 equal to t square. 4x plus 3 root over is integration root over of t square. X dx is dt by t by 2 dt. So 1 by 8 integration t square minus 3 by, say 1 by 8 t square root over is t is t square, t square into t square, t to the power 4 minus 3t square dt. Okay, so 1 by 8 integration t to the power 4 dt minus 3 by 8 integration t square dt. So 1 by 8 t to the power 5 by 5 minus 3 by 8 t to the power 3 by 3. 3 cancel. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 8 t to the power 5 by 5 minus 3 by 8 t to the power 3 by 3. Okay, so 3 cancel. This is 1 by 8 t to the power 5 by 5 minus tq plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 8. T is 4x plus 3 root over. So 4x plus 3 root over to the power 5 by 5 minus 4x plus 3 root over to the power 3 plus c. Okay, so this is the result. Now question number 5, integration sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Solution, take a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. We get d by dx of a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to d by dx of t. So this is d by dx of a cos square x plus d by dx of b sin square x. This is equal to dt by dx. That implies a d by dx of cos square x plus b d by dx of sin square x. This equal to dt by dx. So a derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x into d by dx of cos x plus b derivative of sin square x, that is sin x square, 2 sin x into d by dx of sin x, this equal to dt by dx. Okay, so 2a cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x plus 2b sin x, derivative of sin x cos x equal to dt by dx minus a whole into 2 sin x cos x plus b whole into 2 sin x cos x equal to dt by dx. Okay, you can take 2 sin x cos x common, 2 sin x cos x whole into b minus a equal to dt by dx. Now 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So sin 2x b minus a equal to dt by dx. So b minus a sin 2x dx equal to dt. So b minus a sin 2x dx equal to dt. Okay. So sin 2x dx equal to dt by b minus a. So integration sin 2x dx is dt by b minus a. So it is 1 by t dt by b minus a. So it is 1 by b minus a. Integration dt by t is log t. So 1 by b minus a log mod t plus c. So it is 1 by b minus a log a cos square x plus b sin square x mod plus c. Okay, so this is the required answer. Okay. Now question number 6. Integration sec x log sec x plus tan x dx. Solution. Take log sec x plus tan x equal to t. Now 1 by sec x plus tan x into sec x tan x plus sec square x dx equal to dt. Okay. Log sec x plus tan x equal to t. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of log sec x plus tan x equal to d by dx of t, that is dt by dx. That implies derivative of log is 1 by sec x plus tan x into d by dx of sec x plus tan x is dt by dx. So that implies 1 by sec x plus tan x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus derivative of tan x is sec square x. This equal to dt by dx. So sec x tan x plus sec square x by sec x plus tan x equal to dt by dx. Okay. Sec x tan x plus sec square dx by sec x plus tan x equal to dt. So if you take from here take sec x common. So this is tan x into sec x, that is sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x dx equal to dt. So these two cancel. So integration sec x dx equal to dt, or you can know sec x dx is dt. Okay, that implies sec x dx equal to dt. So a sec x dx is dt, log sec x plus tan x is t. So integration t dt, that equal to t square by 2 plus c, that equal to 1 by 2 t square, that is 1 by 2 log sec x plus tan x whole square plus c. Okay. So 1 by 2 log sec x plus tan x whole square plus c. So in next class we will discuss objective type question. Okay.